You just need to look around us to see that we live in this ever more uncertain and complex world. And outside, there's just an accelerating technological set of changes and shifts going on. And you need an organisation that is trying to make sense of that and take advantage of that to keep this country safe.
If we're going to stand up for our values and our way of life in this country, we need to harness all our combined strengths, and one of the most powerful of those is engineering.
So, one of the things delightful to be able to say after 86 years is, who are we? Well, I'll tell you who we are. We're HMGCC, and we're the engineering specialists at the heart of the UK's national security.
Well, it's everything from supreme precision to complete creativity, set under one roof. Yeah, this is probably one of the most diverse places I've ever worked in terms of skills and backgrounds.
It's part of representing the country we serve.
Over the years, we've encouraged our engineers to work alongside our partners in national security, sharing the challenges that they're trying to overcome and really being part of the mission from the start.
It helps build that trust that we know what we're doing.
We need to be able to respond sometimes at really short notice to really interesting and difficult challenges.
Unsticking the stock and making sure things go out the door when they really need to.
And we connect to the brightest and the best we can find in this country in terms of academia and industry.
Finding ways of reaching out beyond our walls to connect our free-thinking engineers with the most creative people we can work with.
One of the amazing things about what we make is that the artefacts we design and deliver solve uniquely difficult problems in novel and bespoke ways.
That hidden technological advantage that helps keep us ahead and keep the country safe.
Then you add the aspiration and the importance of the mission. It's really rewarding.
We've had some really interesting characters over the years, including Mr. Turing, of course, and they come up with great ideas. But it's often the group working together that delivers them because they bring difference to it.
And when we consciously create spaces which bring those people together to co-create and share those thoughts, that's when creativity is at its greatest.
It's what engineers do. It's what we do at our best in this country.
Challenging, questioning, that independent thinking. It's everyone's business here.
And it's that free thinking that really sets us apart, I think.
It gives us an edge.
So I think to sum up what it is that we do, for over 80 years we've worked with the agencies, government departments, academia, private sector partners and our international allies to bring that engineering ingenuity to the national security mission, creating tools and technologies that drive us ahead.
It means we can look further into the future than perhaps our adversaries are at the moment and think about technology that's coming over the horizon.
And when you can actually understand what you've built has had an effect on the safety of this country, it's pretty incredible. It's what gets me up in the morning.